Hello everyone! Today I would like to demonstrate our new community website where you can watch for our production activities. At this moment we are working on Pepper&Carrot episode 3 motion comic. So here we have a special section called Pepper&Carrot. And yes, let's navigate inside, and here we have a list of tasks, and each task has a particular category. This is a type of work that needs to be done for this task. You can filter tasks by clicking on categories above. Here are the tasks for artwork, for scene setup, animation. And you can see who is responsible for each specific task. Here is the name of person who is working on it. You can see a price, a cost of the task, and you can also see if task is completed or not. So here we have a completed tasks. We can filter them. Here are all completed tasks and tasks in progress or pending. Okay, now let's go and see how the task looks like. Here we have a task description, and here you can see the process. And this last post is marked as solution, as this marks the task as completed. Well, you can browse other tasks, like, well, for animation something. Okay, let's check this.
Эй, гляньте-ка, это же Пеппер.
Как у вас дела там на окраинке?
Эй, гляньте-ка, это же Пеппер.
Как у вас дела там на окраинке?
So this is how our transparent task tracking looks like. The process is completely open, so you can navigate to community.morevnaproject.org and watch it yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.